Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be doing an Arch Linux installation. So this is the beginning of a really weird series I'm hoping to start, where I install these different operating systems. I have 5 Linux distributions running here, and I think in the end I'll compare how easy or difficult they were to install. So since A is first in the alphabet, let's begin with Arch Linux. So I've now selected to start the normal installation medium. And my friend told me that there's a program called Arch Install, so let's try to start it. Oh, okay. Looks like it started. So language, English, keyword, US, region. Let's see if there's one for Canada. Canada it is. Drives. So I'm going to do it on SDA, because SR0 is this virtual drive here. Disk layout. Just wipe it. And let's do X4. Encryption password, none. Bootloader, this is good. Linux VM. Next up is profile. Let's do desktop. And now just a note, over all these installations, I will prefer to install KDE as the desktop environment overall. Oops, let's install now. 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go. Alright, seems to have maybe finished it, so I'm just going to say no to this. And let's reboot it. And with that, I have successfully installed Arch Linux. So I guess, thank you for watching.